happy first of the month. So I'm really excited to share you guys today's look because it's courtesy of a brand that I've been loving for the past few weeks. So a quick little story time. A few weeks ago when I was in New York City, I had just left a boxing class with my friend Sophia, and then I went to a detox market to just see what was new in the beauty space. While there, I came across, boom, Ere Perez's Carrot Color Pot and Holy. Immediately became obsessed. It was just the perfect cheek, lip, little minimal makeup product, and I was like, Kiki, you're obsessed with this brand. How can you work with this brand? Flash forward to today, and I posted that I love their products, reach out, and then they reached out to work with me. So one, this is a sign to do and say what you say you're gonna do. I told Sophia, I'm gonna literally speak it out into existence that this brand is gonna work with me, and voila. Here we are, 9 products, full face of Ere Perez later, because manifestation is real. Speak things into intention, believe in yourself, and literally watch everything just fold into place. But anyways, let's get into this look. Full face of Ere Perez coming right up. Voiceover time, it's voiceover time. Anyways, I go in with the concealer in shade Arnica and put it all over my face, and you can see by my reaction just how amazing this formula is. It was so creamy and just oozed and smoothed right into my skin like butter. After serving for the gods, I then flex on you guys because I now own 3 carrot color pots. I go in with the shade Hello and put it all over my cheeks. Because I'm going to be layering with another carrot color pot, I make sure Hello is present and all over the face, including the nose. After blending that in, I again go in with color Hey because I'm always using Holy and wanted to do something different. Words really can't explain just how creamy their formulas are, and the fact that this is clean beauty just makes me so happy. A moment for this moment, because quite honestly, we can stop right here. We are slaying for the gods, but they sent me so many more products, so we're gonna keep going. I curl my lashes, brush the creatures, stroke, and then use this amazing fluffy brush to just blend the whole face in. Now for the lips, I go in with their acai lip pencil in shade Shy and just line the top of my lips and fill in the entire bottom of the lip. Then put shade Holy in the middle so we add some color. I did a little bit of my own personal brown liner to seal it all in, but this looks amazing, and to finish it off, you already know we need some gloss. And Ere Perez had the perfect one. Ere Perez, you have a forever fan in me. Thank you so much, and I'm obsessed with your products. Thank you. Love you. Bye.